Hello everyone, we have got a new project, Tesla Model Y 2024, car done just 1,500 miles. It's really new car, front end damage and side skid. This one car going to repairing to by myself. I'm repairing full car on the yard. We are now start to remove the damaged parts, do the list what part exactly we are definitely the need. This one car being the damaged the airbags as well. We use the company airbag service to repairing. It's already done, fully repaired. ECU, the repairing, everything is done from the interior. Just a bodywork left on the this one car. And how you see, it looks like very bad damage. Car have the category S like structural damage, but this one car don't have this any structural damage. It have just bolt-on parts, remove and put new one. We are show the full process of the this one car. What more thing what this one car have got in the system? This one car doesn't start because it's facelift model, and Tesla facelift model have the another crash data on the VC front, which need to reset. We are done today. We start the this one car. We are changed the 16-volt battery because it's that fully and car now start, and reset the VC front to make this one car run. And we today they strip the front end parts, do the list and do the order of the parts and show you when the parts arrived, but it's easy to fix this one car. Okay guys, see you later. Here we see we remove the alloy to remove the splash guard. Splash guard needs removed to. After splash guard we need to remove the bumper, wings and screw the next to the splash guards. And next step we remove the splash guard, and after we remove the bumper. Okay guys, here we see we strip at the front end, and what we see there, like example, this one car have the category S. This means the structural damage. But when you look there, there's no any structural damage. It's just crash bars damage and front end. It's nothing too much damage, it's really bolt on. We remove the parts, damage it, order the new one, put everything back, and just it. Happy day, happy customer, drive this one car later on with no any issues. We are doing a list now of the parts which needed. Order the parts, and I think the next week, probably after 5 days, we are start put everything parts back on. We already. Now we order the parts, when parts arrive, everything put it back and give this one car to bodywork to respray just the parts, because we stripped parts by myself and put everything back and give it already drivable full car to bodywork to just the respray parts. Okay, see you later, thank you very much. Hello guys, one more time. How you see, front end is stripped, nothing bad. No any chassis damage. We already done the parts list, what definitely need on the this one car. Is really need the complete front end, because any parts is damaged, like headlights, small cracks, small holes. We are planning repair properly this one car, no bad parts or something like this. We already do the list, how I told before, and now we go to system We are going to have a look how much this one part costs on the eBay. We are put everything in the basket and show you. And one more thing, we are go to dealership with the parts which were needed and ask the price on the dealer and calculate what is better, order the brand new parts from dealer or order the second-hand parts or the replacement parts on the eBay. And yeah, and we ordered the parts. When parts arrive, we start to put everything back and see you a little bit later. Thank you very much. Yeah, alright guys, we have found out the parts. The lot of parts on the Tesla dealer is cheapest of the market. Like you see price of the parts. In total amount on the 900. It's just left the bodywork parts like wings, bonnet and bumper we ordered on the eBay because it's cheaper. And I think it's next week parts arrived and end of the week this one carbine is ready. Hello everyone, we come back to project of the Tesla Model Y. We will receive all new parts. 90% of the parts has been bought from the Tesla main dealer. From the dealer, you just now buy the wings, bonnet, bumper, and one of the headlight. Another stuff, all of them stuff we bought from the Tesla. And we start to fit everything back.